Hello class, welcome to Tal tutorial. In this PPT, we will be discussing class 9 CBSE Physics, chapter Force and Law of Motion. And in this PPT, we will be generally discussing some numericals. So let's start with the first numerical. See, first numerical I have chosen a very simple numerical, is that a force of 15 Newton acts on a body of mass 2 kg. Calculate the acceleration produced by force. See, basic concept of doing numericals, first thing is that we should notice what information could we gather from the question. See, in the first question, force is equal to 15 Newton and mass is given as 2 kg. And the formula is F is equal to ma. So, from that formula, A is equal to F by m, that is Newton's second law. So, A will be F, that is 15, and m, that is 2 kg, 15 by 2. So, that basically comes to 7.5 meters per second square. I think this was a very easy question and you will be very through with it. I'll go with the second question. See, this is present in the NCERT book. A constant force acts on an object of mass 5 kg for a duration of 2 seconds. Then it increases the object velocity from 3 meter per second to 7 meter per second. Find the force, that is magnitude of the applied force given, where this is the first question. Second, now if the force was applied on the duration for 5 seconds, what will be the final velocity of the object? As I told you, first thing is that we need to find is what other information we can gather from the question. That is, u is equal to 3 meter per second, where u is initial velocity, and v is 7 meter per second, that is final velocity. Time was given as 2 seconds and mass is 5 kg. So we know formula is equal to F is equal to m into A, where A I can find as V minus U divided by T, which I have included in the formula, that is F is equal to m into V minus U by T. We gather all the information, we substitute the value, that is m is equal to 5 kg, V is equal to 7 meter per second and U is equal to 3 meter per second, divided by time, that is 2 seconds. We get an answer, that is 10 Newton. My second question was that what would be the final velocity when the time changes to 5 seconds? Now, if the force is in 5 seconds, that is time, then the final velocity can be calculated with the same formula as I shared, F is equal to m v minus u by t. If we substitute every value, we get the final velocity as 13 meter per second. Now we will come to the third question, that is a force of 10 Newton acts on a body of mass 2 kg for 3 seconds, initially at rest. So here u is 0 because initially it is at rest. So we need to calculate the velocity acquired by the body, that is final velocity, and second is change in momentum, that is final momentum minus initial momentum. See, force is equal to 10 Newton, mass is equal to 2 kg, time is equal to 3 seconds, u is equal to 0. Let v be the final velocity, and from second law, F is equal to ma, we can get A is equal to 5 meter per second. And when we are applying A is equal to V minus U by T, where V we already know is 5, V we don't know and U is 0. So V is equal to 80 plus U, therefore A is equal to 5 as we already find, and time is equal to 3 and U is already 0. So 5 into 3, that is 15 meter per second. Second question was changing momentum of the body, that is final momentum minus initial momentum. I missed minus there, and in last row also I missed minus. Please class note that. Changing momentum is equal to final momentum minus initial momentum, that is mv minus mu. When we solve this, m is 22 and v minus u, that is 15 itself, so that comes up to 30 kg meter per second. Now we'll come to the next question, that is a force acts for 10 seconds on a stationary body of mass 100 kg, after which the force ceases to act, means force decreases. The body moves through a distance of 100 meter in the next 5 seconds. We need to calculate the velocity acquired by the body, acceleration produced by the force, and the magnitude of the force. What is given? Mass is given as 100 kg, distance is given as 100 meter, and u is given as 0. As the body moves through a distance of 100 meter in 5 seconds, velocity of the body will be distance by time. That is 100 by 5, and that sums up to 20 meter per second. Second question, we need to find acceleration. From the Newton's third equation, v square minus u square is equal to 2as, where a is equal to v square minus u square by 2s. Where v was given as 20, to 20 square minus 0, because initial velocity is equal to rest, that is 0, we will get a 20 square minus 0 square by 2 into 100 meter per second square. A therefore becomes 2 meter per second square. And third question was finding force, and force formula we know that force is equal to ma, that is 100 into 2, that sums up to 200 Newton. Now we will come to the next question, that is a force acts for 0.1 second on a body of mass 2 kg initially at rest, that is u is equal to 0. The force is then withdrawn and the body moves with a velocity of 2 meter per second. So we need to find the magnitude of the force, where mass m is equal to 2 kg, initial velocity that is u is equal to 0, final velocity v that is 2 meter per second, and time is given as 0.1 second. So acceleration is nothing, it is just the change of velocity by time, that is v minus u by t, where v minus u that is 2 minus 0, I missed minus there, divide by 0.1, that is 20 meter per second square. So force is mass into acceleration, that is 2 into 20, that sums up to 40 Newton. Now we will again turn for another question. This question is the last question for us for today. A car moving with a uniform velocity 30 meter per second, it is stopped in 2 seconds by applying a force of 1500 Newton through its brake. First, find the change in momentum of the car. Second is retardation produced in a car. Retardation is nothing, it is just the negative value of acceleration. And third is the mass of the car. So from our information we get u is equal to 30 meter per second, v is equal to 0, time was given as 2 seconds, and f is equal to 1500 Newton, where a is equal to v minus u by t, that is 0 minus 30 by 2, that is 15 meter per second square, and it should be in minus because it is retardation. So mass is equal to f by a, that is 1500 by 15, so mass we get as 100 kg. Now first question was change in momentum of car. So change in momentum formula is final momentum minus initial momentum, that is mv minus u, where we are getting, when we are substituting the value, we are getting answer as 3000 kg meter per second. Second question was finding acceleration, that is a is equal to, I have already shown you in the last step that is coming to minus 15 meter per second square, but as it was showing in the question, I have shown you again, please go through that. And last question was finding the mass. Again I have shown you before solving that is f is equal to ma and m is equal to f by a, that is 1500 by 15, and it sums up to 100 kg. This is the end of this chapter class. I will be sharing the assessment within 2 days, and I would request you to complete the assessment and give it back to us, because it is not a benefit for us but it is benefit for you, as you will be able to judge yourself where you are standing. Thank you class. Good night. Bye bye.